G'day and welcome back. So this is a 2-for video. It has part of the restoration of the Scalextric MMC 61 Porsche, and it's in regards mainly to having to make spacers for their new old stock front axle assembly that turned out to not be so new. Now, I figured out, this being a Scalextric MMC 54 Lotus 16 axle, I figured when I cut this spacer down, I'd be able to get spacers for the Aston Martin axle, and the leftover would be the exact same size that would be required for the MMC 61. And because I had the reproduction wheels sitting spare, and using them would reduce the cost of this restoration, because it's getting quite expensive, and give me a spare axle. That's what I did. I made spacers for this Aston Martin axle that goes on the bottom. I'd love to get a top 4, and I made my own axle for the MMC 61, and that will reduce the cost of this restoration by nearly $30. So, and then the wheels will look the same, because these have more of a gold accent to the chrome. So we'll swap that axle out. That's the new old stock axle, and that's my handmade one. And I'll see you in the next video.